Many old cars, especially these old cars in the teens, and a lot of them in the 50s and 60s, have a wire in the fender to give it strength. What we're going to do here is show you how to take this and repair this when you've got a broken spot where the wire is holding the fender. What we have to do is take and open this up. We're going to open this edge up about 3 inches back from the place where the wire is actually broken. And we're going to cut the wire out so that we can remove it and put in a complete piece. Right about there. Now we're going to take our die cutter and we're going to cut the ends of those wires, cut them about 3 inches in. Cut the same thing over here. And see if we can pull the wire out. Okay, now we're going to put a new piece of wire in there. We're going to bend it and shape it so that it fits the contour of the fender. Lay it in here. We're going to put a MIG shot right there. Okay, now we're going to put another MIG shot on the back, up on the other end of the wire. Very good. Now what we're going to do is fold this metal back onto the wire. We have to wrap that kind of tight because it was tight before. Then we're going to take a dolly block and a hammer . Okay, now what we're going to do here next is we're going to clean this up. And we're going to weld this torn spot right through here. Now what we've done is we've replaced the wire where it was the weakest, right here in the center at the break. We've got it welded here and back here, and now we've got a good solid piece of wire here where the break is, and when we weld the break, we'll be able to have a good solid fender. We did this on this fender strictly for demonstration purposes only. We don't intend to fix this fender. We just wanted to show you how you replace a wire in one of these broken fenders. What this would have to be done here is sandblasted so it could be cleaned up and the weld could be